Hey everyone! So tonight we're making some chicken bacon ranch sliders, and I am finishing pouring a cup of ranch on the chicken. I need a spoon to scrape out the rest.
All right, you can just set it to the side. It may be enough. We'll see.
Then I'm going to add the bacon.
The little paper thing is in it. The paper thing is in it.
Oh.
Diesel heard us in here cooking. He wants some. It's a little preservative thingy. So you can use real bacon, but we didn't, did
Yeah,
we? So we
don't.
looked in the refrigerator and just got the bacon bits that we had, the real bacon bits. No, baby, we're gonna show us the rolls we're using.
We are using the King's Hawaiian rolls.
I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'll show you what to do next.
All right. So we didn't have quite enough bacon for the sandwiches, so we found some in the fridge, and we're gonna cook them in the air fryer.
So what was that at?
350 for 20 minutes.
And we'll check them in a little bit and make sure we don't.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't really know how long it takes. I just told her 20, just good old starting number. All right.
All right. So we went ahead and cut the bread in half while the bacon is cooking. So I'm going to move the top part. Oh, I'm going to make a knife first. I'm going to go ahead and move the top part out of the way.
You may have to speak up because of that air
Oh
fryer.
yeah, I'm moving the top part out of the way. And I will put the food on the bottom part.
We're going to layer the cheese. So we did half mild and half sharp. So you're going to spread it out. We're going to do the layer of one on the bottom, and then at the end we'll do the layer of the other on the top.
Okay.
And we probably could have just left them and not even cut them in squares, but so how was your day today?
It was good.
Good.
I enjoyed my day with Mama and Papa, and
Oh yeah,
we
she's
hung out.
heating the oven for you, Kaitlyn, for 350 degrees. Right. Those go on top. You lay at the bottom,
I like the bottom.
and then we do the chicken and bacon mix, and then we do the
sorry.
cheese on top. Well, hold on, we can't do that without the bacon, so we'll wait on it. So
Okay. Sorry.
it's okay. All right, we'll check back in.
I think they're ready. All right, we got our bacon out of the air fryer. Looks really good.
And we crumbled it up.
So I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in there. I'm gonna mix it. Smells really good. Do I need to keep mixing, or?
As long as it's all mixed up, it's fine.
Okay, I think it's all
Okay.
mixed up. Oh, my sleeve.
Your sleeve was covering your hand.
Sorry,
Oh, it's fine. I just didn't want you
a
to.
piece fell out.
The counters are clean. Just add it back.
Oh,
A lot more fell
oh
out.
my. Just layered it on there.
All right, hang on. We're going to transfer. It'll be easier to transfer the loaf of bread over to the thing, and then do it over here. go. Now you're just going to spread it out.
Okay. This is a lot.
Yep, we got to cover the whole thing. Okay, Anna found this recipe for us, didn't she? She picked out what we were going to make tonight.
And it looks really good.
It does. It sure does. And if there's
I don't know if
leftovers,
we're
we
gonna
can
be able
do.
to-
It's okay. We can do wraps and all that. You don't have to
Yeah,
put
I
it
don't know
all.
if we're gonna
Let's
be
see.
able
Let's
to
look
fit.
at it up close. It does look good.
Here, I can get these last strands that are by themselves.
No, let's spread this out and see how much we need.
There's a lot.
Here, I'll let you. It's okay. That's an individual slider, so you want some on it. If not, that one won't have any. So if you can get a little over here. So I can turn a little light on. I didn't put our light on tonight. It's one of those spur of the moment videos, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Because let me guess, Kaitlyn's hungry.
I am. Thinking about this food. Alright, how's that looking? Do I need to spread it
Looks
out
good.
some more? Okay.
All right.
Now all I do is put it on the... Oh wait, I need to do the cheese next.
Grab the cheese, and we'll it showed a big layer, so don't leave any gaps, and I'll just get more cheese. I didn't even think about that.
Okay.
It had it actually overlapped.
Oh. Somebody must really like cheese.
Yep. I guess so.
I mean, I love cheese, but...
I know. I was gonna say, Kaitlyn, you go and get cheese just right out of the refrigerator, don't you?
Yes, I do.
It is good.
Sometimes more than one slice. Oh, we need one more. Well, never mind. There's 3 pieces. Didn't
So
see the
you got
third
to
piece.
have a virtual day at school today, didn't you? Where you didn't have to go?
Yeah, we did. Yes, ma'am. We did. Just the juniors were testing
What were they testing?
the ACT.
So, all right. Well, that would be Anna's class.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me think if we need any extra or not. We may add a little extra because.
All right. So we have our melted butter, garlic, salt, and chives mix, and I'm just going to put it over the sandwiches. Can you hold it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
We'll get it a little closer so you don't risk.
Do I use all of it?
Get on these edges over here, probably. All right. So everything that's toasted will have that butter flavor now, huh?
All right. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right. So I'm gonna get these in the oven. Excuse me, Charlie. Excuse me.
Is that what we're doing?
Hey, yeah, thank you. Hey, don't burn yourself.
So what you got there? Baby, it's not hot yet.
Oh,
You need the mitts to get it out, though.
that's heavy.
Charlie's just drop a little bit. Back away from the oven. I don't want you to burn yourself. I guess you'd know if it was hot, though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And I don't know really what we're just gonna do it till it's toasted, so you can just turn off that timer.
Okay.
I don't really know what it's gonna be. I'll let y'all know it's 8:02 when we put them in.
Alright.
And we have that much left over.
So we just took out the sandwiches and we had them in for 12 minutes and they look done.
They look nice and toasty.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Since Anna picked out the recipe of what we were going to do tonight, we'll have to let you know if it's Anna and Kaitlyn approved.
Bye, everyone. Alright,
All right,
so
moment of truth.
I'm going to do a taste test. Those are really good.
Thumbs up
Mm-hmm.
or double thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
All right.